Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from the United States. I can tell there's ramen in here, so let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, cool! So, in the past, I've done a lot of reviews of prison ramen, and I've had from two brands. Actually, three. First one I ever tried was from Mama Pat's. Originally, their packs were set up for sale in correctional facilities. Clear packs with a seasoning, vegetable, and a drink mix powder, which I thought was pretty cool. And then I started getting varieties from folks that were from Marushan. And Marushan has like Texas beef, Cajun chicken, all these different ones that are very, very popular in the corrections industry, I guess. And most recently, there was one called Dragon Express, which is definitely a prison style because the bulk of those packs are clear. Well, I noticed somebody had some on the Ramen Junkies group, and they said that somebody else on the Ramen Junkies group sent it to him. And so I contacted her. I was like, hey, do you have any more of these? She's like, sure, I'll send you a couple. So thank you very much. And here is the first Nissin Top Ramen prison ramen that I've ever gotten. And I am jazzed on this. Not only that, they were kind enough to send two of them. And what's neat about these, first off, having two of them allows me to just make one normal, maybe make one like a spread, maybe make a ramen burrito. Here's what the back looks like. I will, of course, be doing scans and everything, and you'll be able to see everything really, really nicely. I don't know who distributes this. There's going to be like a wealth of information on here, so I might be able to find other varieties. But, yeah, super cool. I'm really, really interested in getting all the different flavors and varieties of instant noodles that are available to people that are incarcerated. It's something that I like to collect, and I think there's a lot of people who are, I believe, introduced to instant noodles for the first time in prison. So, yeah, I mean, that's not a great way to get introduced to anything, but, you know, what do you do? Anyways, this is cool. Thank you so much for sending this. I've been putting out a lot of flags about running out of ramen and this and that, which I have been, but people are like sending me stuff, and I truly appreciate it. So thank you very much. And yeah, wow, cool. This is Hans wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.